Hello. I thought in this rather sunny, lovely winter's day in Barcelona, I'd probably give you a little heads up on how I might be able to help you in terms of raising private finance. Okay, I'm just going to run through the stuff, and I don't do this very often, but I kind of assume you guys know, and then every now and again I think, well, maybe you don't, so it's probably a good idea I do. So I hope you can hear me over the sea. This is Barcelona in the winter. It's gorgeous. Right, so raising private finance, I think there are two key skills in property. One is sourcing deals and the other one is raising finance, because typically you're not going to have enough money to hit all your property goals in the beginning, and you're going to feel like the money is the thing that's going to stop you. It isn't, because you should be able to raise private finance, but that is one of the key skills along with deal sourcing. So how can I help you? Right, free stuff first. Our YouTube videos, as you've probably seen, they're divided into playlists, and there's one about raising private finance. So click on the Raising Private Finance playlist and just work your way through the entire playlist. So get a cup of tea on, definitely get some cake or some biscuits out, chill out and just work your way through the playlist until you've been to the end. Only unfortunately for you, I'm going to keep adding more. So that's free stuff. Really inexpensive stuff, we do really regular conference calls. So give us a shout. I mean, you can get you booked onto a conference call and we can talk about your raising private finance plans for about an hour and a half. Again, really inexpensive stuff. I've written a really in-depth pack about raising private finance. It's on our website. So hop over to thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk and download the PDF pack, which is all about raising private finance. And then I've done both workshop and masterclass online. So two different price points. One was a one-day workshop and one was a two-day masterclass, and we filmed. So you've got films, you've got audios, you've got downloads, you've got exercises, and of course being online you can revisit it again and again, because learning is iterative, so you don't need to just look at it once. So again, hop over to the website thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk and you'll be able to she's been very sweet and didn't want to. What a sweetie. She was like, I don't want to get in the way of the video. So hop over to the website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk, and download one of those two, whether you want the full masterclass or whether you want a one-day workshop. And then finally, come work with me for a year. I have two. No. I also do face-to-face workshops, and every now and again, we don't do many of them, so you've really got to keep an eye out on our website. And we've got a raising private finance workshop. Come to the office, that's where we do them. It's a very funky office, and we actually hold the workshops upstairs, which is really nice. And then finally, if you want to work with me for a year, I have two mentoring programs, which I love doing. The online one and the face-to-face. Have a good old read about them both on our website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. Basically, you've got all the materials, the curriculum, which comes out to you once a month if you're online, or you meet up with us once a month if you're face-to-face. You've got your business in a box, everything I did when I started on Dropbox, which we share with you guys, so that you don't need to start from the beginning, including golly, 6.5 grand's worth of CDM, 2.5 grand's worth of loan agreements, all that stuff. And then we have, as long as I'm not on holiday like this week, then we have calls in my diary every single week to keep you on track. So there you are, raising private finance. We can surely help you. I raised £1 million once in 4 hours. It was mental. I mean, I was a bit surprised myself. So what I did was I smashed the phone out for 2 hours, had a cup of tea and a Kit Kat, and then smashed the phone out for another 2 hours, raised £1 million. Not bad, is it? And in fact, I really got started by raising money. I raised £600,000 in less than 14 weeks, which allowed me to buy a 1.8 million portfolio, which allowed me to jump out of my day job and really kickstart my path in property. All right, see you soon. Bye.